In this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song Shout to the Lord with just you and an acoustic guitar. Coming up. Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com, and in this video we're taking a look at the song Shout to the Lord. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check that out right here. That's going to show you what arrangement you're going to learn in this song. Also, you're going to learn a lot of advanced guitar chords in this tutorial. If you want to learn even more of those advanced guitar chords, there's a link down in the description below to a free PDF called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. So check that out if you're interested in learning more. Let's get into the tutorial. I thought I'd do this tutorial a little bit differently today. If you watched the cover of the song that I did, you know I just kind of pulled the chords up and played through it. It was like my first time playing through Shout to the Lord in a really long time, so I just kind of went with the flow. So I thought for this tutorial I'll just show you the cover that I did and add the chords on top of it, because there wasn't like anything super crazy that I did in it. It was just like a standard playthrough of the song, but I think it'll be really helpful for you to see sort of where I use what chords. So what you're going to see next is the cover that I did with the chords so that you can play along if you want. So enjoy. I'll talk to you afterwards. My Jesus, my Savior, Lord, there is none like you. All of my days I want to praise the wonders of your mighty love. My comfort, my shelter, tower of refuge and strength, let every breath, all that I am, never cease to worship you. Shout to the Lord, all the earth, let us sing. Power and majesty, praise to the King. Mountains bow down and seas will roar at the sound of your name. I sing for joy at the work of your hands. Forever I love you, forever I'll stand. Nothing compares to the promise I have in you. My Jesus, my Savior, Lord, there is none like you. All of my days I want to praise the wonders of your mighty love. My comfort, my shelter, tower of refuge and strength, let every breath, all that I am, never cease to worship you. Shout to the Lord, all the earth, let us sing. Power and majesty, praise to the King. Mountains bow down and seas will roar at the sound of your name. I sing for joy at the work of your hands. Forever I love you, forever I'll stand. Nothing compares to the promise I have. No, nothing compares to the promise I have. Oh, nothing compares to the promise I have in you. Congratulations, you just learned how to lead the song Shout to the Lord with just you and an acoustic guitar. If you want to learn even more of those advanced guitar chords that I used all throughout that cover/tutorial, there's a link in the description below to a free PDF called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more of those guitar chords. You can implement those into your standard guitar playing. You can take out the standard G chord that you play and play it like this, or like this, or like this, however you want. You'll learn those chords in the free PDF. So check that out in the description below. Other than that, though, thanks so much for joining me today. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.